Hey everyone, and welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today, we're tackling a question I get asked a lot. How to delete a Facebook ad account. Maybe you're streamlining your business, or you just don't need it anymore. Whatever the reason, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. Alright, let's jump right into it. First things first, open up Facebook in your web browser. Now, on the search bar, type Ads Manager. Search it, and then you'll be on Ads Manager. Once you're in Ads Manager, you'll see a list of your ad accounts. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one you want to delete. Now, for the settings icon, it looks like a gear. Click on that and then select Ad Account Setup. Here's the important part, you can't directly delete an ad account. You first have to deactivate it. Scroll down, and you'll see the option to deactivate. Click on that. Facebook will ask you to confirm, and you might need to provide a reason for deactivation. Follow the prompts and confirm. Okay, so your account is now deactivated, but it's not permanently deleted yet. Facebook gives you a 30-day grace period. During this time, you can reactivate your account if you change your mind. After those 30 days have passed, you can permanently delete the ad account. Go back to your ad account settings, and you should see an option to permanently delete ad account. Click on that, confirm, and your account will be gone forever. Now, here's a crucial warning. Once you permanently delete your ad account, all the data associated with it, your campaigns, your ad sets, your results will be permanently lost. There's no way to recover it. So, we're absolutely sure you're ready to say goodbye before you hit that delete button. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Facebook ad account. Remember, it's a two-step process. Deactivation followed by permanent deletion after 30 days. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.